Good morning, students. Today we will solve a question of dishonor of the bill. Question number 16 on the page number 18.65. A sells goods for 3000 rupees to B on 1st January. First of all, we will write here the name of seller in the books of A and in the books of B. A sells goods for 3000 to B. What entry will be passed? B debit to sales. Goods sold to B of rupees 30,000. And in the same way, we will write here purchase account debit to A. Goods purchased from A. Now we will see the bill was written on 1st January. On the same date, he draws a bill on B at 3 months for the amount. What entry we will write here? BR account debit to B. Acceptance received. $30,000 and 30,000. On the other hand, A debit to BP. Acceptance given. $30,000 on 4th February 2017 with his bank. He discounted the bill at the rate of 18% per annum. So we will write here entry cash account debit, discount account debit to BR. Bill discounted at the rate of 18% per annum. We will not make opposite entry here because bill was sent to bank for the discount. Now how will we find the amount? We will find here amount 30,000 into 18 upon 100 into into 3 upon 12 because bill was written for 3 months. 75 into 18. $1,350 will come, and this amount will be deducted from 30,000. $28,650 will come. 28,650, and the amount of discount will come 1350, and the total amount will come 30,000. In this way, we will discounted the bill from the bank at the rate of 18%. After doing this, in your question it is written, the acceptance is dishonored on the due date. It means the second condition of dishonor will follow. Second condition of dishonor. So we will find the due date, and the bill was written 1st January. After 1st January, we will count 3 months. April 4, because we will add 3 days of grace days. April 4, and second condition of dishonor will be applied here. B debit to bank, bill dishonored, and noting charges paid by bank. As you know, noting charges will be added in the amount of bill, and the noting charges is given in your question 200 rupees. No, 200 rupees, only 200 rupees. So we will add these 200 in 30,000. The amount will come 30,200, and same here 30,200 will come in the credit. And what the opposite entry of the dishonor will come here? April 4, BP account debit, noting charges account debit to A, bill dishonored, and noting charges paid 30,200 of noting charges, and total amount 30,200. In this way, we can solve this question of dishonor when second condition is applied in your question. Okay.